In this video today I'm going to discuss circle. At first I want to discuss shortly the formula, what is very necessary for this chapter. Then we'll solve few problems from circle. First we see the general equation of circle: x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. The general equation represents a circle when the coefficients of x square and y square must be same and there is no term involving xy. The center of this circle is minus g minus f and radius is equal to root over g square plus f square minus c. This circle will have an intercept from x-axis of length 2 root over g square minus c, and the intercept from y-axis is 2 root over f square minus c. When this circle touches x-axis, then g square will be equal to c. If the circle touches y-axis, then we get f square is equal to c. When the circle touches both the axes, then we get g square is equal to f square is equal to c. Now see another form. If the center a is k and radius a, then we get the equation of circle is x minus a whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to a square. This a is k center and radius is a. When the extremities of a diameter is given, if x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the extremities of a diameter, then we get the equation of circle in this form: x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. So when the extremities of a diameter are given, then this is the equation of the circle. If a straight line y is equal to mx plus c touches the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square, then we have a relation between c, a and m is c is equal to plus minus a root over 1 plus m square. When this straight line touches the circle, this is the relation. Now the tangent of this circle at the point x1, y1 is x1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c is equal to 0. So this is the tangent at x1, y1 point. This is the equation of tangent. This one. When two circles touch each other, then the distance between the centers is equal to sum of the radius or difference of the radius. When two circles touch each other, then the distance between the centers is equal to sum of the radii or difference of the radii. If they touch each other externally, then the distance between the centers is equal to sum of the radii. If the circles touches each other internally, then the distance between the centers is equal to difference of the radii. Difference. Okay, if the center of a circle is on x-axis, then this will be the form of the circle. That is, y is missing. When center is on x-axis, then y term is missing. Not y square, only y term is missing. This PT is a tangent. So length of the tangent drawn from outside to the circle is root over x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So this is the length of the tangent drawn from a point x1, y1 outside the circle. So this is the length of tangent from a point outside. S plus KL is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle. This is the equation of a circle which passes through the intersection point of a circle and a straight line. This is the equation of a circle which passes through the intersection points of a circle S and a straight line L. So this is the equation of a circle. S plus KL. S is a circle and L is a straight line. Thereby this is also another circle which passes through the intersection point of the circle and the given straight line. S and L are given circle and given straight line. And this is a new circle which passes through the intersection point of given circle and given straight line. This is the equation of a circle in polar form. Here r and theta, these are the variable in polar as we get in Cartesian coordinate x and y. So in polar coordinate we have r and theta. And r1 and theta 1 are the given point. This is center of the circle and this is radius. So this is equation of a circle in polar form where r1 theta 1 is the center of the circle and a is the radius. Then this is the equation of a circle in polar form. See, these two circles intersect each other at this point and this point, and so this is the straight line which is common to both the circles. So this is common chord. This is common chord. So if we subtract S1 and S2, we will get the equation of common chord. Now we are going to discuss few questions. Question number 1. What is the center of the circle 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0? So when we go for any operation of circle, we must make the coefficient of x square and y square 1. And we know what is center. Center is minus z minus f. So dividing both the sides by 3, we are getting this equation. Now from this we have to find out g, and from this we have to find out f. As the center is minus g minus f, so divide this x coefficient by minus 2 and y coefficient by minus 2. So if we divide this x coefficient, that is this one, by minus 2, then we are getting plus 5 by 6. And if we divide the y coordinate by minus 2, then we are getting 1. So this is the center. Now question number 2. Which is the radius of the circle that touches y-axis and center is at 1 minus 2. So let us draw a picture where the circle touches y-axis and center 1 minus 2. You see, this is what? This is the center 1 minus 2 and the circle touches y-axis. So this one is the radius, distance from y-axis. So this is x coordinate. So this is our radius. So when a circle touches y-axis, the radius of the circle will be the x coordinate of the center. X coordinate of the center will be the radius when the circle touches y-axis. Now see question number 3, which is the radius of the circle that touches x-axis and center is at 2, 3. So let us draw the picture. The center is 2, 3 and circle touches x-axis. So you see this much is the radius. So what is that? What is that? It is 3. It is y coordinate. So if circle touches x-axis, then the radius of the circle will be the y coordinate of the center. So this is the radius 3. Which one of the following represents a point circle? We know for a point circle, what we know? The radius is 0. And how to measure radius? Root over g square plus f square minus c. So we have to go for test for A, B, C and D, where we get the radius 0. So for A, radius is g square plus f square minus c, that is here minus 2 square plus 4 square minus 20. So at first we got this. So the radius of this circle A is 0. So this is a point circle. What about B, C, D? We have to test. In B it is not. So we can take decision from it. This is a point circle. For what value of P, the circle, this one, touches x-axis? We know when a circle touches x-axis, then we get g square is equal to c. G square is equal to c. When a circle touches x-axis. What is g here? G is equal to minus 2. And that c is p here. So p is equal to 4. Now, question number 6. Considering the connecting line of points 3, 2 and 5, 2 as diameter of a circle, which one is the center of the circle? Very easy question. You see, these are the extremities of a diameter. So we know center is the midpoint of a diameter. So center will be the midpoint of these two. So 3 plus 5 by 2. This is x coordinate of center, and 2 plus 2 by 2. This is y coordinate of the center. So midpoint of this connecting line is the center, as it is diameter and ends points of a diameter. Question number 7. Which is the tangent to the circle of this circle at 2, 4? We will find the tangent at 2, 4. See, for the circle, this one, the tangent at 2 is this. We need to discuss how we express this. You see, this is what? X square plus y square 2gx plus 2y plus a. How to arrange the question for putting this 2, 4, that is any point, that is x1, y1. So how we rearrange? X into x, y into y, g into x plus x, f into y plus c. It is for your better understanding. Now see, this line and this line is same. Now what we do? There are two x's. So we keep one x and we replace another x by x1, that is the given point. This is the given point. So this is x1, this is how it is, y1, this 4 or y1, whatever we say. Now there are two x's. So keep one point, one x here, and replace another x by x1. Keep one y here, replace another y by y1. So this is how we find the tangent at any point of a circle. So circle is this, and the tangent at 2, 4 is x x1 plus y y1 minus c. Here in this question, xy term is missing. Doesn't matter. So what we have to continue with this. So x into x1 plus y into y1 minus 20 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent at 2, 4 of the circle. So we need to memorize this one. Question number 8. What is the length of the tangent of the circle from the point 2, 3? That is, this point 2, 3 is outside the circle. Now we have to find the length of the tangent on this circle from the point 2, 3. So for this we have a formula, root over x1 square plus y1 square plus 2gx1 plus 2fy1 plus c. So this is length, this is not equation. Now what is x1? x1 is our given point. What is y1? This is given, this given point 3 for this question. And let us see the calculation. The length of the tangent of the circle x square plus y square minus 1, that is given circle, from the point, this 2, 3 is outside the circle, and this is the length of tangent. X1 square plus y1 square, 2gx1 is missing here, 2y1 is missing, and c is minus 1 here. So this is 4 plus 13, 4 plus 9, 13 minus 1, 12, root over 12, so 2 root 3. So this is the main formula. Now question number 9. What is the length of the tangent drawn from the point 4, 2 on the circle? The same question as 8. So we put the formula and get the answer. x1 square plus y1 square minus c, root over 18, and this 9 root 2, 9. If we take 9 outside, then it is 3 and root 2. Question number 10. In this question, there is no correct option, so we will have a correction on this. The circle passes through the points 3, 5, 4, 6, and center is on x-axis. So how to do it? We are asked to find the equation of the circle. So the circle passes through 3, 5 and 4, 6, and center is on x-axis. So we take a decision on this point. The center is on x-axis. So if we consider center is on x-axis, let us consider it is A0. A0 and radius A. As the center is on x-axis, let the center is A0 and consider the radius is A. Then what is the equation? X minus A whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to radius square. So a minus b whole square, use this formula and this. So finally we are getting x square plus y square minus 2hx plus h square minus a square. This is c. This is a constant term, this is also a constant term, so totally consider it is c, and we know to transfer this equation in GF form, what we put g is equal to minus h. So this is the equation. So what I wanted to mean, when the center is on x-axis, then in the equation of the circle we do not have y term. Again, Since the center is on x-axis, then we do not have y term in the equation. This is the explanation. So our required circle is, the center of our required circle is on x-axis. So we can consider the circle in the form x square plus y square plus 2gx plus c. That is, when the center is on x-axis, then in the equation y term is missing. So this is our consideration. Now see why we are thinking on this, because we have 2 points, and we have 2 points. What are those? 3, 5 and 4, 6. And this is our equation. You see, if we can find out G and C, we will be able to find the equation. So let us pass the circle through this point, or let us put this point on the circle. We are getting 9 plus 25 plus 6G plus C is equal to 0. So this is our calculation. 6G plus C is equal to minus 34. Again the circle passes through 4, 6. So it is 16 plus 36 plus 8G plus C. Just put the point on the circle. You will get this. Now what is unknown here? G and C. This is one equation. This is another equation. So if we subtract this 2 and 1, we get 2G is equal to minus 18 and G is equal to minus 9. From 1, if we put minus 9 here, then it is minus 654 plus C is equal to minus 34 and C is equal to 20. Finally, the equation is this. So what is the main point here? As the circle, the center of the circle is on x-axis, so y term will not be there. So that is how we have to consider the circle in this form. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus c. It is, if the center lies on x-axis, coefficient of y is 0. That is, in this equation, y is 0. This is the main thing. And another part is, you have 2 points, put on the circle, get the value of G and C. So this is our equation, and in your option there is no correct answer. So you just correct this one. Question number 9. Which one is the equation of common chord of the circles? This one and this one. I told you in the first question, that is, when we go for any operation of circle, the coefficient of x square and y square must be 1. So at first what we have to do, we have to make this x square and y square the coefficient 1. Coefficient of x square and y square 1. And equation of common chord is given by S1 minus S2. That is direct subtraction of two circles. So this is our first equation, and this is second equation. What we do, we just divide this by now common chord, direct subtraction of two circles, S1 and S2, and this is common chord, 4x plus 3y plus 3 is equal to 0. So in next video we'll discuss few more maths. So today up to this. Thank you everybody.